think the shower will open here. Aww. Yesterday I camped the whole night and I didn't know. Good, we're gonna go have a shower to our gym, which is probably gonna be warmer anyway. Alright, so today we have a couple of things to do. Yesterday I had a campfire. Yesterday was my last video that you saw, guys. So a campfire, I smell like pretty bad right now. And so we're gonna go you're not going there. Go have a shower. We are going to get my van checked this afternoon. I do have a problem with my fuel tank. When I fill the fuel tank, it just spills sometime. So they're also gonna look at it and just do an overall look of my van. I don't know what we're gonna fix today, if we're gonna be able to fix anything, but just overall look today. I think that's the plan. So yeah, shower. I need to wash the van too, and I need to finish editing my video. So alright, that was good. We don't smell a campfire now. Gotta start a heater and start editing. It's a little bit chilly here. So I was just finishing editing, but the wind picked up and just like things start flying. We have a wind warning today. Just getting worse as the day go on. Oh, and I think that's what I heard. That woman, oh, you missed it. That woman was, I heard some noise. Woman was chasing a garbage can that flew. I could hear something about, is it the thunder? What's going on? Yep. It's starting. Hopefully it's not going to be too bad. Yeah, wind warning, wind gusts of 60 this afternoon. And for the Fahrenheit people, there you go. Wind gusts 37 miles per hour. So I decided to skip the washing the van. I should probably, but it's been raining. Should be alright. It's cold outside, guys. I don't know why I've been feeling cold lately. It's just like the damp, the first cold of the winter, you just like feel like way more. After that you get used to it, and right now I'm just like, whoa, I don't want to go outside. I don't want to do anything. I just want to stay warm and just, yeah. So we're gonna go see Daryl and see how much he's gonna look at my van. Hopefully not finding anything major, and maybe try to figure out what's going on with my gas tank. So Daryl said that underneath my van it's pretty decent for the age of my van. Couple maybe minor thing that eventually will have to be changed or look after, but right now it's pretty good.
I had to push on it pretty hard though.
Yeah.
Give that a shot.
Yeah. So look like Daryl found my issue at those lights that are flashing and the dash one. So when I open any of my door, like I'm gonna open my doors, so those lights turn on. But now they've been flicking. And one time I was in Quebec and policeman was in front of me, and they were flicking, and he looked at me like, no. So it looked like the pin inside of this door, which I never thought that could be that. I thought that was actually the wire inside or something else. Could be just this pin right there. it loose it up. So yeah, hopefully I'm gonna test that out, and hopefully that's gonna be it. So they just stay on for like a couple of seconds and turn off after that. Yay! Alright guys, so there, look at my van. We did a tire rotation. He removed, pretty sure he removed it. I'm gonna know pretty soon. I had like the lights flaking all the time, was so annoying, and I was worried that was like an electrical problem in fact, and I was like, oh no, this is not good. But it was just that I thought about the door, because I know when I open the door that the lights and like the front here dash turn on. So I was like, maybe it's this door, and I was trying to like, you know, idle it when I was driving, and I was like, no, this is not that, but I forgot about the other doors. And yeah, they were turning on, which I didn't know, but he was working on the van like on the tire, and I was like, my lights just turned on, and he's like, well, you left your key in the dash. I'm like, no, I have the keys right there. So the light was turning on by itself, which I didn't know. So I'm like, oh my god, like, you know, imagine you're just in the back and your lights turn on and you don't know. So I'm pretty sure this problem is fixed now. The gas tank is gonna get fixed eventually. We are gonna have to order a couple things. So that's gonna be on the next, eventually this winter. No rush, just, you know. And what else? Oh, the leaf spring, which I already knew about it. They look like they're bending almost on the opposite side. And I was like, can you break? It's like, oh, you have to be really rough for that. Like, go in the back country, very rough to break them. It's like the chance that you're breaking them are very slim. So, but I think I'm gonna change them just because they make a lot of noise, and it's kind of getting to a point that's been a little bit annoying. But yeah, oh, I'm so happy for those lights. They were like, start to bothering me. I was worried about electrical problems, or, you know, I was like, is it the mouse? Can you touch a wire somewhere that I don't know? And I was trying to figure everything out, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's that. They didn't flake at all right now, and it would have done it already if that was that. Oh, thank you, Daryl. Oh, you know, sometimes like this been bothering me for a couple months since I left, pretty much, and I kind of like tried to not think about it too much. You know what I mean? Because I couldn't figure out where it was a problem, and I was sure that was electrical somewhere. That was just a stupid little pin. That's why they said that older vehicles are better sometimes. We have like less electronic stuff, you know. Those lights are just like, they're not important. You know, they don't mean anything. When you open the door, your lights turn on, and like people is like, oh, you forgot your lights, and like, no, they shut it by itself after 10 seconds or 20 seconds, whatever. Yeah. They're all fix our problem, Kenny. You happy? It's Stormy. Want to check that out, Kenny? Yeah, it's Stormy. I am stoked that we fixed the electrical problem. I was sorry about that. Crazy or something that make you worry so much. I mean, not like I was sleeping good at night, but you know what I mean, like just in the back of your head, like, I hope I don't have any bad electrical, or that's, you know, sometimes a sensor can take forever to figure out where it is. And I was kind of like, almost got used to it. But now it's fixed. Love it. So while we are in the topic of van fixing and all this, like I said, I'm gonna go back see y'all in a couple of weeks when, you know, we're gonna order a couple of parts. We're gonna, you know, do the gas tank. It's not like a big issue. I just have to put some gas slow. It just get annoying after a little bit. So we have time to fix that eventually. All the rest, it did a tire rotation. All the rest is good, or seems to be pretty good. I mean, it could have been a couple little thing that I could change, or you know, but did not. It's like if it was my van, I would probably not like do it, or you know, it's like it's totally fine. So I was like, all right, okay, cool. So the van's getting to a point that you have to kind of, did I do it? Did I not do it? I used to do like every little thing at the beginning when I got this van, just like everything. You need that? Okay, cool. We're gonna do it. Now that the van's getting older, you kind of like assess things. All right, is it a big deal? No, it's not. All right, we're gonna keep it like this. We're gonna keep an eye on it. And now that I have the all too, it's great. You know, it's not just a mechanic who tell you, oh, you need to change just this and that. You're just like, hey, don't have to. We can wait. You know, you can look at it. Maybe we're never gonna have to change it. Maybe it's gonna get worse. We're just gonna keep an eye on it. So that's good for that. So yeah, on the topic of van fixing thing, the high top is the second part of the problem. So you guys know I do have a little bit of leak still coming, even if I put some Sikaflex. But my beautiful Amanda, which is my bookkeeper and slash friend, obviously, she talked to the guy who did the fiberglass on Chrome's van, and he think he knows what my problem with the leaky white stuff, I don't know how to describe on my window. It's the fiberglass leaking a little bit by a little bit. So the protection on the fiberglass is probably most likely gone. So he said he can fix it. He's going to look at my van. I mean, I didn't talk to him. Amanda talked to him. And he also said to Amanda that he might be able to fix my leaky high top, like kind of more like permanently, with some fiberglass and some, I don't know. I'm gonna talk to him, but that's kind of like, that would be great if someone can fix my problem. Like if Sikaflex is okay, but you know, it's getting annoying after a point. This is it's getting worse as a storm. I'm just talking to you guys. It's gonna be a stormy night. So yeah, those are the two things kind of that was in the back of my mind that I knew that would have to get fixed eventually. The gas issue. I didn't thought that they all could fix my electrical. I was kind of like having a little hope. I didn't thought that was just that, which is awesome. And the high top. After that, this van will be in very good shape for the age of my van, which is a 2011 with more than 300,000 kilometers on it. Yeah. So I think the best things to do when the weather has been bad, raining, is to make some food. So if you watch my last video, I carve pumpkins, and I just love to eat the seed, roasted them. So I'm just like with a paper towel just drying them a little bit, and I'm gonna put some oil and roast them, and they're gonna come like a chip. This is so good if you never tried. Usually put them in the oven if you do have one, but you can still do it on the pan. So while this is cooking, I'm gonna show you the video that I took a couple weeks ago with the light flicking. You're gonna see on my dash, okay? So hold on. It was not flicking like this all the time. I was in the back country, but so every time I was driving, the dash was just like flicking like this all over the place. driving me insane. I'm laughing at it, but I was not so much laughing. So I'm so glad that they're all fixed, that problem. I really thought that was a mouse that started chewing. I was worried. I was like, oh no. And sometimes when they check out, it takes forever to find out, you know, it could be a sensor, it could be like something loose, it could be like, yeah. So I'm so happy that he found out. In fact, he found out because he was working on the van, putting the tires back after the tire rotation, and I'm like, my lights are on. And I had my keys in my hand. He's like, do you have the keys? And I'm like, no, they're right there. I'm like, why are they on? And every time I was kind of moving the van was just like turning on and off. So that's where we that's where we start with the door. And I've told him, like, I checked the driver's side door, and he started looking at the other side, and I was like, oh yeah, I do have more than one door. I didn't look at those ones. They are all done roasting. That's gonna be so good. There you go, guys. Sometimes I put salt and pepper. This one I just put salt. So good. Alright, I think I'm gonna finish eating that. So good. And probably watch a little movie and relaxing. It's not as windy as I thought it would be. It's pretty decent. I don't like when it's too windy. You just always worry, like, you know, look for a place to park, a place with no tree. You always worry, like, power line. You just like feel a little bit more in the element when in the van. But tonight it's just, yeah, it's pretty good. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And I'm gonna leave you with Miss Kitty. Kitty! Oh, hello! Come here. We're not gonna see you in the front there. What are you doing in the front? You want to give them a kiss? They barely saw you today. We're in the van. We're working in the shop. Alright. Give them a little kiss, Kitty. Kitty, where are you going? A kiss. Alright. It's all good. Alright guys, we see you in the next one. Aww, you would give a kiss. Thank you.